Hey everyone, let's talk about how to use Airbnb host income calculator. So let me tell you guys, an Airbnb income calculator projects how much a property can earn by analyzing local market data. So to use it effectively, the first step is to input property details. Just head to your Airbnb app, then tap on listing at the bottom of your screen, then tap on the plus icon at the top right corner, create a new listing, or you can just create from an existing listing if you already have one. Now start to create your listing, then enter your exact address, property type, and size. The more precise your inputs, the more accurate the local comparable data will be. Now, once you do that, review the market projections, then calculate gross revenue. Once you calculate your gross revenue, subtract operating expenses to find your true profit. You must manually adjust the calculator's estimates to account for your actual costs. So make sure to include host fees, fixed costs, variable costs, or commissions. Now evaluate the cash flow. Subtracting your total expenses from your gross revenue yields your net cash flow and your projected return on investment. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.